Hello and good time. Daily analysis of the GBP-USD currency pair on February 2nd. On the 4-hour time frame, after breaking a market structure shift level, it was expected that there would be a short-term upward move, and after liquidity was collected, the price would continue its downward trend. Currently, a liquidity pool level is forming, which could move downward. And based on that liquidity level, it could reach a fair value gap area. And from there, the price might get rejected and enter a bullish phase. By analyzing the RSI indicator, we can observe the price, which has entered the oversold zone and has formed a bullish divergence, which could be a signal for a price reversal to the upside. Also, if the price moves upward, it could collect buy-side liquidity and enter the FVG area at the 1.3719 level. From this point, we can look for a trading strategy for a sell position targeting the 1.3632 level. And if it enters the 150% FBG zone, an identifier 17 trend. From this area, we can also look for a buy position in the market. Also, if momentum increases, in the market, the price can move downward without a correction and head toward the D level, OL at the 13643 level. It can move and enter the FVG zone, where we can enter a buy position in this area, targeting the fair value gap area at the 1.378 level. If the price is accompanied by a bearish displacement and closes the FVG zone at the 1.3614 level, it can continue its downward correction to reach lower prices down to the 1.3567 level. Set this as the target according to the analysis on the 1-hour time frame for GBP/USD. We can see the price movement. As predicted, it moved upward. The point where it stopped and consolidated at this section, we could have entered a sell position targeting the order block zone where the price is currently at. A CVD divergence has formed, which confirms the trend. It is bullish, but it doesn't have enough momentum to move upward. It could move downward from this area, and we consider two scenarios. If the price moves upward, it may collect the buy-side liquidity and enter the FVG zone. It could get rejected. And from this area, we can look for a sell position in the market. And upon reaching the FVG zone, also look for a buy position in the market. But if the bearish momentum increases, it could move downward without a correction. Is it going to move down? There is a confirmation for a liquidity grab upward at the 1.3707 level. This means that with the price returning to the FVG zone, it can attract liquidity toward itself. On the 15-minute time frame for the GBP/USD pair, the price movement during the Asian session was an accumulation move. If during the London session, liquidity is collected on the buy side, we could see a reversal and a bearish distribution move. But in the scenario where, during the London session, liquidity is collected on the sell side, then during the New York session, we could see a bullish distribution move. Wishing you success and profits.